In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a font in Canva in two different ways. Canva is a versatile design tool used for social media posts, presentations, or personal projects. Sometimes the perfect design calls for a font that isn't available in Canva's preloaded library. Fortunately, adding a new font is simple, and I'll show you how. First, open your design project and select the text element where you want to apply your new font. Highlight the text to make sure Canva knows exactly which section to update. Then click the font drop-down menu at the top of the screen. Here you'll see Canva's existing fonts, but to add a new one, look for Upload a Font. Click this option and navigate to the font file on your device. Canva supports TTF and OTF files, so make sure your font is in the correct format. Keep in mind, uploading custom fonts requires a Canva Pro account. Once uploaded, Canva will process the font and add it to your library. Now you can select your new font and apply it to your text, giving your project a personalized touch. Remember, font uploads are subject to commercial licenses. Always ensure you have the proper permissions, especially if your design will be used commercially. Following these steps, you can make any Canva project stand out, whether it's for branding, a card, or a creative personal project. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope this guide was clear and helpful. Keep exploring Canva's features and unleash your full creative potential.